Martuni.
Quick stop for some pomegranates.
Azonk Media. Merci.
Merci.
I am. Okay. On the 28th, which is basically the day after the war, the first bomb fell there, which caused all the damage. Some of it's been repaired now. If you look just over there, there was a bomb later on which completely leveled that house beyond the fence.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah. Let's walk over. Yeah. The damage here is infinitely worse than Stepanakert.
The owner was inside when it was hit.
Really? What happened to the owner?
He's dead, unfortunately. Careful, it's very slippery. He says that hole used to be way deeper of a crater. They filled it with the house excavation. Right. They had to get an excavator in to dig out the house after the explosion to bring out the body of the homeowner.
Wow.
She says, why don't you come over and film our bombed house while you're here?
Oh, sure. We'll tell her we could.
They're very good-spirited for someone who just lost their house. She says it's just past those trees. I'm gonna get a photo of this car.
Sure, yeah. Ask her where she was when her house was bombed.
He says we've gone 30 years in the past after these bombings.
Yeah, ask her where she was when her house was bombed.
She said they left right before they hit. The bomb hit. Oh yeah, she with kids, she says.
Ask her if she's lost anybody in the war.
Հետը չի շատ նեղացնում հարցումը, ընտանիք ունես, որ մահացան պատերազմի մեջ։
Չէ, այստեղ է Սարայողա 3 անգամ կանտուզիա ստացել, հիմա էլ։
She says thankfully no one in her family has died, but her son's been injured and he's in Martakert right now. Լավ, ձեր տունը հոստեղան է։
Հենց նեն էլեկտրիկի ջրաբուծը։
Այսա դուքն։ She says she can show us inside where it was hit as well. We can see some of the damage.
Armen Ejazgun.
Это ужас.
This feels like pretty unstable.
Yeah. Porcelain.
Watch your step.
Yeah. Is it filming? She says she just took out a line of credit on the house, and she has debts to pay back for this, which is now destroyed. She also says they've lived here for years. This was where her grandmother lived and died, in this house. She says if you want, you can keep filming with her. Oh, yeah.
Հիմա չի, ասма յոլա գնացեք, դե յոլա, ոնց յոլա գնամ։
Picture just right there.
Yeah, ask her if she's okay with that.
Garland says